In this support video, we will be demonstrating how to install a trim kit for the refrigerator model 1844-40SG. First, you will need to build a platform. The width of the opening needs to be 36 and 7/32 inches. The height of the cutout of the platform needs to be 71 and 7/32 inches. The depth of the back to the front of the platform needs to be 29 and 1/16 inches. You will need 2 inches of clearance on each side. The height from the bottom surface to under the platform needs to be 7 and 27/32 inches. The lip of the platform needs to extend 3 and 15/32 inches, and the thickness is 7/8 inches. The width of the platform is narrower than the cutout itself. The width needs to be 35 and 27/32 inches because 3/16 of an inch needs to be removed on both sides. The top needs to be a minimum of 7 and 7/8 inches. For proper air circulation, the platform cutout is 15 by 15 inches. The base opening for air circulation should be 15 by 4 inches. When installing the outer frame, make sure the L-shaped cut sits on the platform. Screw in the outer frames. Make sure both outer frames are leveled before installing the top grille. Install the top grille by sliding it into the opening of the side frames. Screw in the top griddle for each side. Before placing in the refrigerator, remember to plug it in first. Place your refrigerator into the trim frame and align it with the outer frame. Install the bottom grille by screwing it into place on both ends. Verify that the outer frame and your fridge is properly aligned. This completes your installation.